Hey guys, it's Neve from MoveAbout, and today we're going to be making these little Pacman. All you need for this is the tennis ball, some buttons and some scissors just to cut a hole in the mouth. So it's really good for in-hand manipulation and fine motor control, as you have to pinch the side to open the mouth. And what I've done with some buttons, I've just set up a little line for the Pacman to eat his food. So you're going to squeeze the side to open the mouth, and you're going to try to get him to eat it. Ooh. So you might like to try this with a friend or with a sibling, and you can race each other, see who can get the most. And it really is working those hand muscles. And at the end, you can squeeze his mouth and let them all come out. So if you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe below and we'll see you there. Thanks guys, bye.